With Autodesk Inventor 2017, core design tools for part and assembly modeling, surfacing, sheet metal, and drawings include several enhancements that make it faster and easier to design and document your product. In the part modeling environment, you can now window cross-select multiple closed profiles at once when using the extrude command. And there are several enhancements to patterning. Circular patterns have an option to fix the orientation of the feature as it rotates around the axis. A new sketch-driven pattern tool lets you pattern features to points created in a 2D or a 3D sketch. And patterning and mirroring operations can now be applied to multiple bodies at once. There's also a new parent-child relationships browser that can be accessed by right-clicking on the feature in the window or in the model browser, so you can see the upstream and downstream dependencies for each feature. When designing assemblies, you can now make components transparent by right-clicking on the object and selecting Transparent from the pop-up menu. And cross-part references are easier to identify, with component names displaying next to the reference feature in the model browser, along with icons that illustrate the type of reference. There's also options to break the reference, open the assembly file the reference was created in, or to open the reference part directly. We've also made enhancements that give you more control over the creation of surfaces. You can now select guide rails when using the boundary patch command to select curves or points that guide the shape of the patch. And an angle option has been added for all types of ruled surfaces. Inside the sheet metal environment, there are 3 new corner relief options to give you more control over the placement. You can now also control the visibility of punch representations on the model, so the punch can be shown, or a sketch representation or a center mark can be used. And there's now an option to defer flat pattern updates. Drawings have also been enhanced with a new option to use a jagged line to display cut edges for partially sectioned components in a section or detail view. Column and table header rows now support text wrapping, and parts can be opened directly from parts lists in the drawing. From part and assembly modeling to surfacing, sheet metal, drawings, and more, the core modeling tools inside Inventor 2017 are better than ever and help you quickly create your product designs and documentation.